Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce my group member, which is Saidatun Afrina, Saidatun Afika, Nur Fatiha, Nur Syaira, Azrin Azalia, Nur Dini Afifa, Nur Nazira Natasha, Aisyah, and Nur Batrisha.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syahira binti Syara Azman and my metric number 308685. And today I'm excited to introduce Coffee Wagon, a mobile coffee business operating from a food truck in Changlun, Kedah. Our mission is to deliver convenient, quality, and a unique coffee experience to busy professional students and commuters. As you can see based on this slide, business concept of Coffee Wagon offers freshly brewed coffees and specialty drinks such as lattes and iced coffee. We also cater to non-coffee drinkers with options like iced chocolate, matcha, and teas. Our mobile setup allows us to reach customers where they are, providing quick and quality beverage on the go. And the next point is target market. Our primary customers are busy, professional, students, and commuters who value convenience and quality in their daily caffeine fix. By positioning ourselves in high traffic location during peak hours, we meet their needs efficiently. And for the operation, we maintain strict food safety standards and efficient inventory management to ensure quality and minimize waste. Our flexible operating hours focus on peak demand times, and we carefully select locations with high foot traffic to maximize sales. By looking at our financial overview, our startup costs include purchasing and retrofitting the food truck equipment and initial inventory. Ongoing expenses cover supplies, which are permit and maintenance. We have clear revenue projections with a defined break-even point. Funding will come from personal investment, loan, and grant. And the next slide, we can take a look at market analysis. There is strong local demand for convenient beverage options in Changlun. Our main competitors are traditional cafes and a few food trucks. We differentiate ourselves through mobility, speed, and a unique product offering. And for the marketing strategies, to build brand awareness, we will leverage social media, participate in a local event, and establish partnerships with office and educational institutions. Our pricing strategy is competitive yet reflects the quality of our product. And for the conclusion, in summary, Coffee Wagon aims to become a beloved local beverage destination by combining convenient, quality, and a unique customer experience. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.
Every company has their own mission, vision, and objective. So, we also have our mission, vision, and objective. First of all, I'm gonna intro about mission. Mission means a summary statement that states the main purpose of goal of an organization. Coffee Wagon business mission is to build a coffee brand that is trusted to prioritize health, service quality, and customer experience. Secondly, vision. Vision is the main focus in business that involves long-term planning. The main vision of the coffee wagon business is to become a leading coffee brand at the regional level that combines innovation, quality, and safe in delivery a premium coffee experience to customers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nordini Afifah binti Muhammad Nasir. My matric number is 304644. I will explain about the objective of Coffee Wagon. The objective of Coffee Wagon are expand the establishment of Coffee Wagon branch in other places within 3 years. We want to train skilled and knowledgeable our employees, especially barista. Next, we also want to increase annual income by 20% consistently every year and using environmentally friendly cup containers to all customers of Coffee Wagon.
Today we are excited to introduce you to our business that's called Coffee Wagon. Coffee Wagon is a mobile coffee business operating right here in Changlun, Kedah. Our business runs from a food truck bringing high quality coffee and a variety of refreshing non-coffee drinks directly to business professionals, students and communities on the go. Our mission at Coffee Wagon is simple: to provide convenient, fast and delicious beverage that fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. We are a small, passionate team dedicated to delivering excellent customer service and offering a diverse menu that caters to all tastes. Speaking of our menu, we serve freshly brewed coffee and specialty drink like lattes and iced coffee. For those who prefer something different, such as non-coffee lover, we also offer iced chocolate, matcha, refresher and a selection of teas. Every drink is made to ensure both quality and speed. When it comes to the market, there is a strong demand locally for quick and convenient beverage option. While there are traditional cafes and a few food trucks around, Coffee Wagon stands out because of our mobility and flexibility. We can bring great drinks to where the customers are, making us a unique choice in the area. Thank you to Alia and Ty. And now let me share to you how we plan and grow our Coffee Wagon and keep it running smoothly. Our marketing strategy focuses on building strong brand awareness through social media channels, participating in local events and forming partnerships with nearby offices and educational institutions. This way, we can attract regular customers and become a familiar name in the community. In terms of pricing, we offer competitive rates that reflect the quality of our drinks, ensuring customers get great value while we maintain profit. Operationally, we follow strict food safety standards and manage our inventory efficiently. We also keep flexible operation hours to serve customers during peak hour and choose high traffic location to maximize sales. Financially, our startup costs include purchasing and retrofitting the food truck, buying coffee and beverage equipment, and stocking initial inventory. Our ongoing expenses cover supplies, wages, permits, and vehicle maintenance. We prepare realistic revenue projections and identify a clear break-even point to guide our financial planning. Funding will come from a mix of personal investment and potential small business loans or local grant. Ultimately, our vision is to make Coffee Wagon a beloved local beverage destination on wheels, a place known for convenience, quality, and a unique customer experience. We're excited about the journey ahead and look forward to service the Changlun community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting organizing. Organizing refers to the process of baristas dividing work coordinating activity and assigning responsibility within an organization. The goal is to achieve organization objective in an orderly and structured manner. Now, moving on level of organization culture, in the case of the coffee wagon business, which operate as a coffee truck, they practice an environmentally friendly concept. One of the key elements in shaping the company identity and employee behavior is the organization culture. According to the Eggleston model, organization culture can be divided into three levels. First, artifact. Second, express value. Three, basic underlying assumption. First, artifacts. These are visible elements that reflect coffee wagons' eco-friendly identity, like the use of earth color, organic cotton uniforms, wooden name tags, and biodegradable packaging. These choices show the company's commitment to sustainable and customer healthy. Second, expose value. Coffee Wagon promotes environmental sustainability and support local community. It uses eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient vessels, source coffee beans locally, and prioritize customer health by offering healthy, plant-based drink options. Number 3, basic underlying assumption. The company believes business success should not harm the environment. It values long-term positive impact, encourages employee involvement in decision making, and embraces change and innovation to grow and meet customer needs.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nordini Afifah binti Muhammad Nasir. My metric number is 304644. I will explain about types of organizational culture. Coffee Wagon use two types of organizational culture. The first one is clan culture. Clan culture is we focus on teamwork and creating a family culture within the organization. Next, voice employees are always be heard and each of them have a value in the workplace. The second type of organizational culture is market culture. Coffee Wagon encourage the employees to compete among themselves. Market culture more focus customer satisfaction such as taste of coffee and service customer. In addition, coffee wagons want to increase consistent profit by 20% every year, so the employee will push their skill and knowledgeable to reach company goals every year. The last one, we aim to expand our network by opening 2 coffee shop branches in next 3 years.
Hi and good day everyone. My name is Nurfata binti Muhammad Zamri and my number matric is 306345 and I will continue my part for leading. Right now, I will talk about the topic of leading in the coffee wagon as known as coffee truck business. Leadership is essential to ensure smooth operations and business success. In this fast-paced environment, owners and managers must give clear instruction, motivate staff, manage daily tasks, and maintain good customer service and also team morale. Using the behavioral approach, leaders observe how employees behave and guide them to be patient, clean, fast, and friendly. A positive work atmosphere helps staff share ideas and work better together, and also can creating a supportive and efficient team. There are also two key leaderships styles, transactional and transformational. Transactional leadership works well for daily operations, such as following hygiene SOP or rewarding top sales performers. It helps to ensure that everyone follows procedures and knows their roles. Transformational leadership focuses on the long term. By sharing a clear vision, like expanding Coffee Wagon or building a strong local brand, leaders can inspire staff. Employees will feel more involved when they can suggest ideas such as creating new drinks. In conclusion, combining both leadership styles help the business run smoothly every day while also planning for future success. Thank you, and I will pass to the next presenter.
Move to the next point, which is process perspective on motivating employee. To motivate employee, we can use several process-based theory. The first theory is expectancy theory. This theory says employees perform better when they believe their effort will lead to the rewards. The second theory is equity theory. This theory emphasizes fairness. If someone works harder but they get the same as other, their motivation may drop. The third theory is goal-setting theory, which highlight the importance of clear and challenging goals to boost the performance. And the last theory is reinforcement theory. This theory shows that positive behavior can be encouraged with reward like praise and gift. So, these theories help us to create a motivated, fair, and productive team and leading to a better service quality. And the last point is provide comprehensive training. Staff need to be trained in making coffee, delivering good service, and following hygiene rules. This can build trust with customer, reduce mistakes, and improve their skill. So, all the process support the business growth.
Control is a regulation of organizational activities so that some targeted element of performance remains within acceptable limits. Without this regulation, organizations have no indications of how well they are performing in relation to their goal. For our organizations, we use three types of control, which is preliminary, concurrent, and predictive control, which can help us to keep the business moving into the proper directions. For preliminary control, it can prevent any possible problems by focusing on preparations and planning. It can also ensure the quality of our products by checking our ingredients before they are served. We also train our staff in beverage preparations before they start working to ensure that all staff understand operating procedures and ensure consistency of quality from the beginning. We also set a clear standard and take proactive steps to maintain smooth operations and customer satisfactions.
Okay, next, I would like to talk about the next type of control, which is concurrent control. So, firstly, refer to the control implemented during daily operation. Concurrent control refer to the type of control that apply while business activities are actively happening. In the context of Coffee Wagon, that means supervision and management take place directly as an employee are preparing the drink. It's not control that happen before the work, but it's happen during the actual process to ensure that the business remain well managed and run smoothly. The main purpose of concurrent control is to ensure business operation continue to run smoothly and efficiently. With this type of real-time supervision, issues such as error in dream preparation, delay, or uh, confuse in the task can be identified and corrected immediately. Each employee is assigned specific responsibilities in dream preparation. At Coffee Wagon, each employee has a specific responsibility or role in dream preparation. For example, one or two employees are prepare the drink. Others handle are responsible to packaging the drink, with other one is responsible to editing topping or decoration. With this clear division of role, work can become more organized, productivity increased, and the chance of task overlap is reduced. A leader or supervisor must monitor employees during dream preparation. In concurrent control, the role of supervisor or the team leader are very important. They must constantly observe and monitor employee. They need to ensure that process follows standard operation (SOP), product quality remain consistent, and the mistake can be corrected immediately. For example, if the employee forgot to add the ingredient in customer drink, the supervisor can quickly fix it and help the staff to avoid the customer complaint. So let's move to the feedback control, which is the type of control that apply after the task or process been completed. So first, feedback involve evaluating performance by comparing actual result with set goal. Okay, that's mean performance is measured by comparing the actual outcome to the goal that we will set yearly. We can check whether the target was achieved or not. If not, we need to identify the reason and we need to take the step to improvement. So next, for instance, in 3-month period, a sales team can work toward the target and review the result. For example, a sales team may given the target to sell 8,000 drinks over 3 months. After the period ends, the results are reviewed to see whether the goal was achieved or not. This can help determine whether the strategy that we use are effective or we need to improve. Feedback can also come through form or social media review or direct interaction. Um, Before this, we compare the result and the goal. But this one, we can get the feedback from the customer. Customer feedback we can collect it in several ways. Through feedback form or survey, review in social media like Instagram or Google review, or direct comment from customer at the counter. All this feedback provide insight into how customer feel about the product and service that we offer. So last, this feedback can help Coffee Wagon improve its service and operation. This feedback is very important because it can help Coffee Wagon improve day-by-day operation and boost customer satisfied. If customer mention, for example, if customer mention that drink is too sweet, we can reduce the sugar level. If the customer service is too slow, we can increase staff during peak hour. So I think feedback control is very important because it can improve our business day by day.
Next is a coffee vegan mission focused on promoting health and caring for the environment. Its long-term vision is to adapt to consumer preference, especially in terms of health and sustainability. This shows that the business is aware of and responsive to health and environmental concerns. And then, the Coffee Wagon business plan focus on convenience, quality, and speed, showing strong potential to success in the Changlun Kedah mobile beverage market. It stands out with a diverse menu, a targeted marketing strategy, and the advantages of mobility. For the financial, the business aim for the efficient management, cost control, and a realistic return on investment. Coffee Wagon also plans to expand with investor support, implement consistent strategy, and become a trusted, well-known brand that contribute to the local economy by creating job opportunities. And then is conclusion about organization. Organizationally, Coffee Wagon adopt a culture of sustainability and community using the Edgar-Shen model to define value and strengthen identity. It also blends clan culture, family-like environment with market culture, competitive spirit to promote innovation and teamwork among employees. Next is about the conclusion for the leadership. Coffee Wagon apply a holistic leadership approach that include behavioral, transactional, and transformational and motivational elements. This approach help create efficient, creative, and motivated employees. Manager not only direct but also inspire and support staff, offering fair reward and sharing the company vision. The company also provide comprehensive training to improve skill and service quality. And last but not least, in terms of control, Coffee Wagon use preliminary control for effective planning, second, concrete control to maintain quality during operation, and feedback control to evaluate performance and make improvement. This control system help ensure consistent service quality, identify weakness, and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you.